Take out the instrument and the power adapter. Plug the power cord in. Clean and sterilize the handles for use. Remove makeup and clean face. Apply toner. Apply essence evenly to face. Press mode for 5 seconds to start the instrument. The default function is Bio. Bio treatment can contour face, lift and firm skin, prevent skin from sagging, and slow down skin aging. Press level button to adjust Bio energy based on individual endurance. Energy range 1 to 5, 1 to 4 is recommended. Press mode to switch walking modes of Bio. 4 modes available. Mode 1, low frequency of stop. Mode 2, higher frequency of stop. Mode 3, highest frequency of stop. Mode 4, constant walking mode without stop. Mode 1 is recommended for the first-time user. Technique: move the handle in circles from jaw to the back of ear, Chengjiang RN24 to the front of ear, mouth corner to ear center, and nose wane to temple, stretch it 5 times. Repeat the previous operation on the other side. Move the handle towards the 2 sides of forehead in circles 3 to 5 times. Clean face. Apply mask. Press mode button for 3 seconds to switch to LED function. The LED lights can switch among 7 different colors, which can activate deep cells, reduce wrinkles, tighten skin, brighten and rejuvenate skin, calm and soothe skin, respectively. Press Mode button to switch working modes of LED. Mode 1, single color LED light constantly on. Mode 2, single color LED light flashes. Mode 3, multiple color LED light flashes and changes color cyclically. Mode 4, multiple color LED light changes color cyclically. Mode 4 is recommended for the first-time user. When Mode 1 or Mode 2 is chosen, the color of the LED light can be changed by pressing Level button. Use stamping technique to perform the treatment from jaw to the back of ear. 承浆 RN24 to the front of ear. Mouth corner to ear center. And nose wing to temple. From forehead towards hairline, 5 minutes. Repeat the previous operation on the other side. Concurrent working of LED and bio. LED and bio treatments can contour face and lift, firm, calm, and soothe skin. When at the function of LED, press Mode button for 3 seconds to make LED and bio work concurrently. Then set energy level and working mode of bio. 1 to 4 energy level and Mode 1 is recommended. Use stamping technique to perform the treatment from jaw to the back of ear. 承浆 RN24 to the front of ear. Mouth corner to ear center. And nose wing to temple. From forehead towards hairline, 5 minutes. Repeat the previous operation on the other side. Press Mode for 3 seconds to turn off the instrument. Clean the handles. Remove mask and clean face. Apply toner, essence, face cream, and sun cream.